Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, I'm just going to show you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features of this 420D M Sport Gran Coupe, presented in Alpine White. Alongside that, we've also added a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit to the car, and included in that are a brand new set of 795M style alloy wheels that, as you can see, they are finished in the frozen black. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2018 18 plate, so we've also got that lovely facelift. Down the side of the car, you'll be able to see the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, along with the very nice Alpine white finish that really does suit the exterior styling pack very nicely. It also has got the black Dakota leather equipped to this car, which you can go ahead and take a glance at now, and as you can see, they're all in very nice condition, and also does have the heated and electric lumbar options on this car. And we've also got that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Moving to show you the rear seats now, where you get an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench and a central folding armrest, as you can see there. We've also got the darkened M Sport headlining again, which works very nicely with both the interior and exterior colours. Again, showing you off this fresh set of brand new alloys. At the back, we've added the high gloss rear diffuser and satin rear boot spoiler, and BMW introduced the very nice sharpened LED rear tail lights. Opening up that automatic opening and closing tailgate, there you can see just how large that space really is, and you can make that even bigger thanks to the fact you can take out both the bottom and top partial shelves, along with split folding seats. Moving around to the other side of the car, where again we can not only show you the fact that the Alpine white works very nicely with all of the additions, alongside being a very nice clean and tidy example, and we'll give you one last look at the wheels before I head on inside to, of course, just take you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting, of course, with the professional wide navigation and media screen we have, and I'll run yourselves through a couple of the screens and functions of that. Starting with the satellite navigation, which uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've also got Bluetooth for both the telephone and audio purposes. Multimedia wise, you can see there we've got DAB, music collection, along with USB and AUX inputs. And going back to the main menu, in just 1 second I'll go across and check out the service requirements and service history of the car. Down here you'll see the dual climate controls, along with our switches for these lovely front Dakota leather seats. The vehicle itself's covered just over 34,000 miles, as you can see there, and we'll now go ahead and check out that service requirements and service history. The next service is not due for 17,000 miles. And up at service history, you can see there again we've got extensive full BMW service history for this wonderful 4 Series Gran Coupe. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you do want any further information, remember that in the description there's a link that will take you through to our website, where you can view funding options and of course prices for this car, along with all of our other fantastic examples. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and goodbye.